Hi friends. Very good evening. So what we are going to discuss today, electric circuits. So with the help of this concept, I mean electric circuits. So you may able to gain some information what is meant by circuits, what are the types of circuits we have in electrical engineering and electronics engineering specifically, how we have to make a connection for a series connection as well as a parallel connections. So with the help of this presentation, you may able to know that. See here, first of all, basics here I given. What do you mean by circuit? So any path along which see any path along which electrons can flow. I mean, electrons will only flow if the circuit is complete with no gap. Say, I mean, what I'm coming to tell you. See, if circuit means simply keep in mind every one of you, it's a closed path. If it is anywhere a circuit is open, then there is no current flow will occur in the circuit. That's what I've given an explanation here. That is the explanation I've given. First 2 points. So coming to the point, open circuits. So open circuits are broken and do not allow the flow of electrons. If it is circuits are broken, see, I mean, if it is circuits are open circuits, if the two terminal, if the 2 points are open circuited, then that means open circuits are broken and do not allow the flow of electron. If it is OC circuits are happen, then there is no flow of electrons will happen. Then close. What do you mean by closed circuits? The closed circuits are completely. The closed circuits are completely. Closed path. This is an open path. The closed circuits are complete and allow the flow of electrons. If it is circuit path or closed one, then electron will flow over the entire circuit. If it is open, there is no electron flow will happen in any circuits. Okay. So what are the types of circuits we have? So there are two types of types of circuits are available. I mean devices within a circuit can be connected in one of two ways: in series and in parallel. So in series, devices form a single pathway for electron to flow. So devices which are whatever the devices resistor capacitors devices form a single pathway for electrons to flow. So with the help of this series connection, we may able to make a connection in a serial way. So coming to the point parallel, so devices form a branches. So if you make the connection with the help of parallel, then it will used to make in the form of branch. Each of which is separate path for each of which is a separate path for the flow of electrons. So based on the series connection, based on the parallel connection, current flow will happen. I mean, electron flow will happen. So series circuits, how we have to connect. Here I think there are three bulbs. So all the three bulbs are connected serially. So along with one switch as well as here one battery. Here battery is acted as a power supply. Here switch is acted as a on and off. On and off means open circuit. See, when you're going to switch on this, well, it acts as a closed circuit. If it is closed circuit, then current flow will happen. If it is open circuit, there is no current flow will happen in this particular circuit. This is arrangements of series circuit. See, what is a major drawback for using? What is a major drawback for using a series circuit? If one device in this circuit fails, the entire circuit will be failed. So here already I shown one circuit. Now, if suppose if it is this bulb is damaged, this entire circuit never work. That is a drawback for using series circuit. That is a major drawback for using series circuits. Okay. So coming to the point, um, uh, parallel circuits. See this here. See the circuit connection here. Again, I used three bulbs which are connected in a parallel together. So each and every bulbs are connected parallelly together. So A and B is nothing but a node. So here you are applying the voltage source. So electron flow will happen. Here we are using switch. If it is switch is open condition, then bulb won't glow. Here one switch is there. Here also you have one switch is there. These two switches are closed condition, so bulb is glowing. If it is open circuit, there is no flow of electron. If it is closed switch, then the flow of electron will move in this particular circuit. That is the thing I'm indicating here. This is nothing but a parallel connection. How we have to be. So in parallel, voltage is the same across each and every branch. See each and every branch from here to here, from here to what see where, so here this branch to this branch, so this two, see here, wherever, see each and every branch, each and every branch, here to here, here to here, here to here, each and every branch, voltage, see the voltage is the same across each branch. That is a plus point for using parallel circuits. I mean, the total current in the circuit is a sum of the current in each branch. So we have to add each and every branch current, then you will get a total current of the parallel circuits. That is main important for using parallel circuits. Then coming to the point of advantages of parallel circuits, here I give one: if any one device in the circuit fails, the rest of the circuit will still function. So if it is any, if it is see in parallel circuit, see here, if this particular bulb is supposed to get damaged, the remaining two bulbs will glow. That is a plus point for using parallel circuits. That is the main thing here I give one. But in a series circuits, if any one of the components are damaged, then entire circuit is never going to be work. That is a drawback for using series connection. But coming to the point of parallel circuits, that is a plus point. If any one devices of any one device are failed, then no problem. Rest of the devices are working. That is a plus point. That is a advantages of using parallel circuits. Coming to the point schematic diagram, here I am showing some schematic diagram. See, this is a symbolic representation connecting wire. This is a representation of battery. This is a resistor symbol. This is capacitor symbol. This is switch, open switch. This is closed switch. This is nothing but a representation of some schematic. Coming to the point, resistance. If it is, see, if in series circuit and parallel circuit, if it is resistance are connected in series, then we have to use for finding the value of equivalent resistor. So add all the resistor R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula. If it is all the resistors are parallel connection, then we have to go for the formula. If for finding the value of equivalent resistor, 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by R3. So that is a formula for using series circuit and parallel circuit. So parallel circuits, so if it is, see, when you going to work under parallel circuit concept, so overloading will happen. So if it is overloading will happen, automatically, automatically the fire circuit is going to be get broken. I mean, fire will happen. Like the, excuse me. So like the problem will arise. So when more devices connected in parallel, resistance is lower, then current should be increased. If it is resistance value is high, then current value should be decreased. This is the phenomena for used in parallel circuits. See, so if it is overloading is happening in the parallel circuit, so see all the components are connected parallelly together. If it is overloading is happen, so excess amount of current flow will happen in the circuit. Then automatically heat will generate. That with the help of that heat, the insulation material is going to be get melt. Then finally the fire will happen. Then the circuit is going to get broken. So that is a drawback for using major drawback for using parallel circuits. When it current is exceeds the limit. So how we have to prevent the overloading? Use fuse. So how it will look like a fuse? So it looks like this. If we can use a fuse, see it is, see if we can use a fuse, then we prevent the overloading problem in electric circuits. The fuse is constructed of a thin wire that will melt if the current becomes too great, therefore breaking the circuits. So if we have a fuse, then the circuit is going to be somewhat safer condition. So if we don't have a fuse, then the entire circuit is going to be get damaged. That is whenever overloading conditions will happen in the circuits. So next, coming to the point, short circuit. So what short circuit means? Bypass the normal resistance of the circuit. So okay, insulation. I mean the main the objective of short circuit is insulation wears away. I mean causing wires to touch, shortening the circuits. See, with the help of short circuits, see if you make short circuits, then we may able to find current value, or even current value as well as the voltage value also we may able to find. So we may able to draw very large current also. That is the main plus point for using a short circuit concept. Okay, so friends, if you like this presentation, please put a like as well as subscribe my channel Sandy Space Puppy. Thank you.